angels, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to reach me personally or you just need a friend to talk to, you can find me at savray.store. You can also check out my brand new workshop called Awakening the Soul, which I have just launched on my website. So today I want to talk about one of the most important barriers that comes in the way of our manifestations more often than we think, and that is our need to control how and when everything happens. The art of controlling. This may become a bit confusing because I know you're probably asking, but Savannah, isn't this my reality? Don't I create what's in here? And the answer is yes, absolutely. And the more you know that, the less likely you are to want to control any aspect of it. If this is truly your reality, wouldn't you trust the way that it works? Would you question anything that happens? Or would you live in it knowing that those surprises are on its way to you? You wouldn't really become so affected by everything because you would know that whatever's happening is for the plot, which also means you wouldn't be too concerned about what anybody else is doing in your reality because you know that whatever it is working for you. Let's put it this way. When you're driving down the highway, you're not reaching out of your window to try and control somebody else's car, right? No, you trust that whoever is in control of the car next to you will do their best to stay within the lines and control their wheel as best as they can. So only you can control your wheel, because while you're trying to control somebody else's, yours is going all willy-nilly. So we need to focus on what we can control in our reality in order to stay focused and stay in our lane. Those things are our emotions, our reactions, our responses, our actions. Okay, everything that we do is within our own control. So we want to focus more on what we can control with what we have, other than being upset because we can't control somebody else and their actions. I know it's scary, and you might even say, but I don't even know where I'm going. But isn't that the funnest part? I'm sure you have an idea of where you want to end up, right? So trust that you will be divinely guided towards something like that. Your only job is to stay inside the lines and control your own wheel, okay? And focus on your speed, because you don't want to hit the person in front of you or the people next to you or the person behind you. If you were meant to control everything and drive everybody's car, it would just be you here. But it's not. I know it seems difficult because sometimes we don't know how to control the things that we are able to control. But all we need to do is take a step back and just look at the route. Trust the divine guidance. Trust your ability to drive and perceive, because that is what's going to take you to where you want to go. It's not somebody else's perception of you. It's your own. You have full control of it. Just grab the wheel and keep going. I really hope this video helped point you in the right direction towards the life of your dreams. If it did so, please leave a like and let me know any comments that you had while watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.